गुल्स गंडित सारनी नमस्कार 19 जनवरी अख सो कृहन रात सो बदनुमा दाग कशीर पेट सो दोह सो रात यस पंद आई कड़न I am Nath Bindu addressing on the occasion of 19th of January, the darkest day in the history of Kashmir. Unforgettable evening, unforgettable night when we were tortured and thrown out of our homes and hearths. We can't forget this night when Kashmiriyat was crushed by all those who claimed that it existed. It doesn't exist at all. So 32 years have passed now. We are still there. No justice. Even Honorable Supreme Court has rejected our request. It is said that it's an old case, whereas that is not the actual thing. Actual thing is that we don't form any vote bank. Nobody listens to us. Nobody cares for us. Nobody except God cares for us. Whatever has happened till date, everyone is watching. Everyone is judging. And I am sure the actual wrath is pending. It is about to come upon those who made us homeless. Actual wrath will be experienced, and that will be the actual punishment to those who shouted slogans, mercilessly killed people, and made us homeless. मे छन ड्रामा करने जरूरत कह बहुस दिल सान वनान पन कत बहुस सह चीज बावान यह मे वुच अत स्क्रीन प्ले कह अत कह बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक तह अत सिर्फ बह तो मेन आवाज यह मे वुच ती छुस बह वनान 19 जनवरी पृछ मे कोचस मज अकिस लकटिस शुरिस यह कहो चलान शोर क्युत जन सास बद लूक जमा गमत दोपन यह मारा अपार लूक जमा गमत यपोर तरन खतर एक्चुअली वी live on the bank of river Vitasta, Jhelum river. Thousands of people had gathered on the opposite bank and thousands on our side. Both had to exchange, and so that no one can watch, no one can see who killed whom. So the people who had gathered on the opposite side, they had to come to our side for killings, and those who had gathered on our bank had to go to the other side for massacre and for whatever they had in their minds. They had to execute that plan, but for their misfortune and for our good fortune, in the mid of that 19th January, it was about to pass. Army vehicles, army बख्तरबंद गाड़ियाँ जो भी हैं उनके मार्च से, when they marched, all these hooligans escaped. They ran away, and we were saved. We were saved, and everyone in every nook and corner of Kashmir just couldn't think what to do. Only thing was to run away. So from 19th of January, mass exodus took place, which will be considered as the darkest day in the history of Kashmir. And will it be reversed? That's the question. Will justice be given to us? That is another big question. And I request all the authorities to reconsider what they are doing is not sufficient, and they must do to address this issue, because until and unless our sacred shrines, sacred places in Kashmir which are very important, which can play a role in resolving Kashmir issue until these shrines are not broken, put to fire, जिनकी बेहुरमती हुई है आज तक, वो मजहबी कैसा मजहबी है जो दूसरे मजहबों के मंदिरों में मूत्र करने से नहीं हिचकिचाता और अपनी जगह को बड़ी सुंदर और सफाई से रखता है। ये कैसा मजहब है? बहुत कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ मगर शब्द नहीं मिल रहे। मतलब यथ वनान कि कलान छ ज़्याव वारिया के वन्नस कोता वनो।